order, but let me try to speak on point of order. That one is point of order number 91. Okay. I'm so much disappointed with Honorable El Mengid by saying that
Salasya,
Yes.
Standing Order 31 deals with adjournment of the House.
91, yes.
So it can't be the one on which you are standing.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, I'm standing on point of order.
Yes.
Order number 91, yes. I'm getting used to these things, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yes.
So I'm so much surprised that out of all these members of parliament, that Engineer El Mengid is mentioning my name and asking me that I'm opposing the bill without even me listening to me giving facts the way I want to give my facts in the next 5 minutes to come. Immediately the speaker is going to mention my name. Thank you, Mr.
Okay. El Mengid, to be fair to Salasya, he has not spoken on this bill yet.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. You know, I was waking up Salasya. I saw him, he was asleep. Okay. And again, Mr. Speaker, I've seen several members opposing this bill, and particularly on the assembled motorcycles that are imported. Those are the motorcycles that 3% of